Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. In this video, we will demonstrate the quick operation guide for the jumbo bag function of the AF-50K bagging scale. AF-50K with jumbo bag packing function, accuracy better than plus or minus 2 per mil, maximum speed 1 ton per minute, supports multi-pack continuous discharging, fast feeding for speed, and slow feeding of the last 2 packs for accuracy. Jumbo bag records can be viewed on the HMI for easy operation. Next, I will explain the AF-50K calibration process. Scale calibration includes weight parameter settings and weight calibration. 1.1 Weight parameter settings. First, log in as engineer. Input the password 30. Click Settings, select Calibration, and enter the calibration interface. You will see parameters such as unit, decimal point, division, and capacity. For example, a jumbo bag application with a target weight of 1,000 kilograms, which achieved through multiple discharges 50 kilograms per discharge. The unit is fixed as kilogram. The decimal is 3 digits, and the division we can choose as 2. 1.2 Weight calibration. After setting the weight parameters, proceed with scale calibration. 0 calibration. Ensure the hopper is empty. Wait for the load cell voltage to stabilize, then click 0 calibration. When the scale displays 0, 0 calibration is complete. Weight calibration. Hang a calibration weight on the scale hopper. Wait for the weight voltage to stabilize, then input the weight value. Click Weight calibration. When the displayed weight matches the input, calibration is successful. Next, the recipe parameter setting will be demonstrated. In real applications, when multiple target weights are needed, formula settings simplify operation. The AF-50K can store 10 independently formulas that is available for quick switching. From the main screen, tap Recipe Settings to quickly access the formula parameter interface where you can configure single discharge target value process parameters, including preset values for fast and slow feeding. There are 2 ways to set process parameters. Auto tuning mode. No need to manually set process parameters. Just enable the Smart Tuning switch on parameter setting page. Then tap the Start button. The system will automatically optimize based on the target weight. Or click on the automatic settings on the main page. Manual mode. If the auto-tuning result doesn't meet your requirement, turn off the Smart Tuning switch. Then manually adjust values for fast and slow feed. Return to the main page. Set the jumbo bag target value, or switch to the simple interface of jumbo bag mode to set the target. And click Start. The scale will, based on the set target, discharge at a single fast speed in the front stage. The last 2 scales will discharge intelligently to make up for the target, which is fast, accurate, and stable. When the target value is reached, a completion prompt pops up. You can check the history records of every discharge or jumbo bag data. This concludes the setup tutorial for the jumbo bag function of the bagging scale AF-50K. If you would like to learn more about other product features, feel free to leave a comment below the video.